Hello there guys, I just got a little package in the mail. This is a beautiful Hattons Class 66. I had to get it delivered from the UK, unsurprisingly, and I'm in Sydney, and it only took like 5 days, which was kind of amazing. I ordered a 21-pin DCC chip at the same time, like 5 minutes after I got this, and I ordered it from about 10 k's away from me, and this arrived from across the globe before a chip about 10 k's away from me did. So I'm impressed, and also the price was good. Like I got free, I think I got free postage for some reason, which isn't cheap, you know, from UK to Australia. But yeah, let's get into this. All right, so let's open this. I have opened it briefly for about 2 seconds just to make sure none of it's broken. It hasn't been run or anything. It's just been briefly looked at, and it didn't seem broken or anything. So that was good. So I put it back in. But yes, let's open it and actually have a proper look, because I didn't actually really look at it when I opened it. I didn't want to spoil anything. I just wanted to make sure nothing was broken. And nothing was broken, so we're good. Alrighty, so the first thing we have is a instruction manual. It's kind of squashed in the shot here. Can't really fit it all in, but you know, it's a pretty basic little manual here. But I will be using this soon, because I do need to fit in all the DCC pin, and there's also a lot of cool different features on this loco, so having a read through this will be very good, so I'm going to do that very soon. But yes, here we go. Here's the inside, and the packaging is actually insane. This is my first loco that isn't a Hornby, and Jesus Christ, this packaging, I'm not used to it, but I love it. And there we go. Have a little zoom in. There she is. So you could probably pretty easily tell what livery I did go for. This is the GBRF large BR logo. So I just love the logo, even though it's not the most historically accurate. It was just like a one-off special by GBRF to celebrate British Rail. But the fun fact is that we could have actually seen 59s in this livery, because the first 59 that came out was in 85, and this livery, well, British Rail was still around at that time. So we could have seen 59s with this livery, but we didn't actually see, well, there weren't actually any 66s around when British Rail was around. So this is just kind of like a special livery, I guess. But it is gorgeous. I just want to open it. So we'll start with this. So if you have a look in here, if this one's too, yeah, so we've got some different little, I don't even know what these things are, vacuum pipes and some different NEM couplings, and these little front things, I don't really know what they are called, but little buffers to put on the front. I think they look really cool, to be honest, so I might actually put these on. But God, these details even are so just really nice. I might put them all on really soon. Oh my God. But here we go. But yes, let's get it out and let's have a look. I'm just so excited to see it. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. There she is. Let's get it out and let's have a look at it. Oh my God. The first thing you notice is just how heavy it is. It is a brick. It feels like a brick. And if you compare it to this, if I compare the weights quickly, it feels like it's double its weight, but my God, look how gorgeous it is. All right, just have a look at it. It is so gorgeous. I just love the detail on the bogies, to be honest. It's also fine and intricate. I don't want to touch it. I feel like if I touch those bogies, everything will fall off. I hope it doesn't. I hope it's quite a high quality model, but who knows? But I will have to take off the body to actually chip it soon. So that will have to be done sometime. But my God, it looks gorgeous. Those little axle caps down there, those little, it's quite hard to see, but those things there, they do spin with the loco, which happens in real life and on this train, which is kind of insane. Not something I've ever seen, so I'm excited to see how that works. Hopefully it's something that doesn't just break in 5 minutes, which hopefully, you know, it doesn't, but yeah. Even the numbering is just gorgeous. I love the plaque, British Rail, 66789. Oh. And all those little details down there, the little stickers, the little cautions, the little everything. It's a gorgeous little loco. So if you look at the front, we can just see how insanely detailed it is. So those little pipes, I think they're not vacuum pipes, but something along those lines, they're all fitted there. The detail's insane. There's still a few more details I can fit on in the accessory pack, which I'll probably do soon, but even the detail that comes on it is just extraordinary. It's cool actually seeing lights on one of these, because if we have a look at the 59 side by side, you can kind of get an idea of just kind of how big the step up between the two models are. You know, this one doesn't have any lights, doesn't really have any detail, and over here we have this insanely little gorgeous just front. I just can't stop looking at it, it's insane. I'm trying to focus on some of the cab detail in there, but there's a lot of it. It won't quite focus, but you can see a bit of it there. But the cab detail is insane. I know there is cab lighting, which is very exciting. And also, of course, you do have some beautifully sprung buffers here. So if that focuses, are you going to focus? So when it comes to the roof, it is just absolutely amazing. So you can see this little etched part on the roof, which is, for this price, you kind of expect it, but it is still pretty rare in a lot of locos. But it does add so much. I just beautifully etched that is, if that focuses. Another thing that's really caught my eye has been this line, just how fine and how well the paintwork has been applied. Just look how straight it is. It doesn't want to focus. It's beautiful little rivets. It's just, oh, the detail on this is blowing me away. Even those little windscreen wipers there are just amazing. But look at that gorgeous roof. Oh my god, I cannot wait to run it. I just want to get on the tracks. Even the name badge being a separate piece that's kind of glued on is just another small little piece of detail that adds so much. Just seeing that nice little etched piece of metal glued on, it's like, oh, that's really nice. Alright, so let's get this on the tracks. I need to turn my setup to DC for this. There's no chip in it yet, and I don't think I've run like a DC train on this for a good 10 years, to be honest. So I don't know if it's possible, but hopefully we can run it. Because if it has to sit here just waiting for the chip, I'm going to be very sad. Alright, so I've hooked this little thing up. I haven't used this in 10 years. This is like my DC control I used when I was a little kid. As you can see, it's got a little 1 on there, because this used to be for my first loop. Then I had a controller with number 2 on it as well. So it's kind of cool, and it still works well. And I think it's all going well. So I've still got a few DCC cords around, and my controller's still there. But the train is on. It's plugged in. I haven't seen if it works yet. I'm really hoping it does. But I'll set up the camera and let's see this thing move. Alrighty, there she is. So I'm gonna give her some power and let's see if she moves. It was actually really stressful putting this on the track because there was so much detail on the bogies. I was trying to get the bogies to sit on the track. It's like, oh god, don't break. But it's on in one piece, which is cool. That's my phone falling out. But yeah, let's see if this thing moves. So I'm gonna get my little controller. I'll give it a little bit of juice and let's see if it moves. Ooh. Oh, I got a little something. Hello. Oh my god, she's crawling off. Oh my god. Oh, she said that was not good. But look at that. Oh my god. She moves, and on DC as well. She does very well. Oh my god. So I'll move her back and forth a few times. She has not been running yet, which I will do very, very soon. She is now being run in, which might be quite loud. Okay, I'll slow her down a little bit, but just have a look. Just have a look at her. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. She just... I can't stop. I just want to sit here and watch it all day, which I will do. But oh my god. I'm trying not to zoom too much because the lens makes a lot of noise when I do zoom. But I just really want to zoom into those lights. Okay, I'm going to do it. Oh, she slowed down. That's not good. But have a look. Just have a look at that. I'm going to slow her down as she comes around so we have a better look at her. But just, this is on DCC as well, and she just runs so beautifully. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, so she's just been running, so she's running very well, and so I've hooked her up to some wagons. So yeah, let's just see her go around with some beautiful wagons. That is the wrong way. This is the right way. Here we go. It is a little bit noisy at the moment, but isn't she just so beautiful? I cannot wait to get it chipped up. Unfortunately, I can't really do like a light test and try all the cab lights, and I don't really want to do like a slow crawl yet because she's still DC. But once I get my chip, I'm going to do all those things, and I don't know where I put it, but it might be an update or something. But just look at her go. Ugh. I'm generally just going to sit here for like 3 or 4 hours just sitting there watching her go around. I mean, just look at her. Ugh, she's such a great runner too. But yeah, I'm gonna go get some more shots. Might actually put on some of these wagons over here. I hope you like my very artistic and talented repainting job of some of these cheap Hornby wagons things. But yeah, let's get it going. Well guys, thank you so much for watching. This probably is the best loco I've ever touched my hands on. I will be doing another little second part to this so I can show off the cab lighting and the slow speed and all that. But I also will be showing off all this new scenery I've done. I've done a bit of work, you know, it's not too impressive, it's not the biggest layout, but you know, it's still something. So I'll be explaining that in a new little video as well if you want to check that out. But I really hope you guys enjoyed that. I genuinely cannot wait to see what other diesel locos Hattons brings out. Even the steam locos look amazing as well. All their stuff is looking amazing, but God, this is a beautiful locomotive. If you have the money, I could not recommend it more. I'm not even the biggest Class 66 fan, but just the quality to this thing is insane. So yeah guys, I'm gonna go and watch this thing go around for a couple hours, and yeah, I'll see you next time.